Let's take a look at how to organize library assets with metadata. Document types associate a set of custom metadata fields with files of a certain type. This helps in improving content organization and SEO, or search engine optimization. Metadata sets can be used to add common metadata across multiple document types. The two types of metadata that can be attributed to libraries assets are categories and tags. Both categories and tags can help organize and support content on the platform. Tags and categories can be created and managed from the categorization section of the site administration panel. Let's dive deeper into tags. Tags can be referred to as a folksonomy, or organizational system classified by users to allow them to organize their own content. Assets may be tagged or categorized at creation time or during edit. We can create tags directly from the site administration panel. Typically, content creators apply tags while creating content. It's also possible, however, to tag content automatically. For example, Library DXP can scan an image on upload and automatically apply tags that describe that image. This allows us to leverage tags without having to manually apply them. Auto-tagging is available for images, text-based documents, and text-based web content. Image-based auto-tagging has 3 different providers that can be used to select the appropriate tags to attribute to an image: Google Cloud Vision Image Auto-Tagging, Microsoft Cognitive Services Image Auto-Tagging, and TensorFlow Image Auto-Tagging. Text-based auto-tagging has 2 different providers: Google Cloud Natural Language Text Auto-Tagging and OpenNLP Text Auto-Tagging. Categories are a taxonomy and have a strict hierarchical structure. They are created by administrators and then assigned to assets. Vocabularies are groups of categories and can be used to identify the topic of the group. It's time for a knowledge check. Tags are a folksonomy. They are defined by users. Categories are metadata with an organizational structure. Auto-tagging can be configured for images, text-based documents, and text-based web content. Categories are a taxonomy. They have a clear and defined hierarchical structure. Categories are organized using vocabularies.